Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in the previous video we have just finished the chapter lesson number 4, that was cube and cube roots. Okay students, so now in this video we will start with our new chapter, that is lesson number 6, algebraic expressions and identities. So first of all we will see what is algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. So algebraic expressions, we can divide that into two parts. First is variables. And second is constants. So how this can we define both? Let us see that. If I talk in a simple language that what is variables, in an equation we have seen that x, y, z are variables, and also in equation we have seen the numbers or etc. So in simple language, if I talk about variables, then x, y, z are variables and the numbers which represent themselves are known as constants. Here in your textbooks there is a definition of variables and constants. Let us see that and write that. See here, the letters used to represent the numbers used to represent the numbers are called variables. Okay students, next, the letters means in the constant. What is the definition of the form? The numbers themselves are termed as constants. The numbers themselves termed as constants. Okay students, so these are variables and this is constants. Okay students, I am reading it again, the definition, that is the letters used to represent numbers are called variables and the numbers themselves are termed as constants. Okay students, so this is the variables and numbers. Let us see some of the algebraic expression which is formed by variable and constants. I am writing some of the examples of your textbook over here, which with variables and constants. In that algebraic, see here there is in the second paragraph, algebraic expressions are formed by combining variables and constants using the operations called addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Okay students, so I am writing some of the examples over here. So if we take 3x, so here algebraic, this is an algebraic expression that here variable and constant both are there. Algebraic expression is an expression in which variables and constants are in form of addition, multiplication, division or subtraction. Okay students, so 3x, or if I take 3x minus x, or 4x into 3x, or 4x divided by 3x. Okay students, so these are the some of the algebraic expressions. Okay students, it also comes in roots, under root or square, 3x square or minus 3x square, minus 6x, this all can come. So these are some of the algebraic expressions. Now going further, there is a terms. What are terms? First of all, we will see that see here terms. What are terms? First of all, we will see that terms. So, what is terms? A term is a variable, constant or the product of variables and constant. First of all, what is term? Term is variable or constant, or variable and constant. Okay students, let us see from the book. See here, a term is a variable, constant or the product of variables and constants. For example, you can see here 3x square. So 4xy, 5y square, 3 by 2a square b, all are the terms. The denominators of the terms in algebraic expression can be constants as well as variables. Thus, x by 2, 3x square by 4, x by y, 4 by x, 3x square by y, all are the algebraic expressions. Okay students, thus in algebraic expressions the terms are connected through with operation of addition or subtraction. See here terms. First of all, I talk about 3x square. So it is termed as, what it can be written as 3 into x into x. This is 3x square. If I talk about 5x, then what is 5x? The 5x means 5 into x, that is 5x. So these are the some of the terms, and here we read that thus in the algebraic expressions the terms are connected through with operations of addition and or subtraction. See here, there is an example over here, 3x square plus 4xy minus 5y square. 5y square. Okay students, so this is an example and it is termed as, its terms are, which are its terms. So if we take terms are 3x square, 4xy and minus 5y square. Okay students, so these are the terms of this algebraic equations. Okay students, if you want to note down, then note down please. And now we will talk about the coefficient. So what is coefficient? So now we talk about coefficient. What is coefficient? So coefficient, if I take an example over here, that 2x cube plus 4x square plus x. So from this, which are the coefficient? Here the numericals which is there, they are coefficient. So if I tell the coefficient of x cube, so what is the coefficient of x cube? The number which is before x cube is its coefficient, that is 2. The coefficient of x cube, that is 2. Now the coefficient of x square. So what is the coefficient of x square, students? That is 4. Coefficient of x square is 4. Next, the coefficient of x. So what is the coefficient of x? If there is no number, then what will be? 1. So the coefficient of x is 1. This is an example of coefficient. You can see that now we will see like terms and unlike terms. So first of all, we will see what is like term. Okay, students. So in that the variable and its power is same are known as like term, and if there is a different, then they are unlike term. Okay, students. So first of all, let me write that like term and unlike term. Like term and unlike term. So first of all, we talk about like term. What is like term? There is a definition in your textbook. The terms which have same variable and its power so they are like terms with same power. Sorry, it's not with same power is called like term. Okay, students. So here are some of the examples of like terms, that is 3xy, okay, 4xy, 9xy are like terms. And here are some of the examples, that is 3y square x, 4y square x, 10 x y square are like terms. So these are some of the examples of like terms. So unlike terms, terms have different variables or powers are called unlike terms. Terms have different variables or power are terms have different variable or power are unlike terms. Here are some examples. If we talk 3x, 4y, 5z, so they are unlike term. Unlike term. Another 3x square y, 4y square are unlike term. Okay students, so these are like term and unlike terms. Now we will go to the next point, that is polynomials. What are polynomials? Let us see that. So polynomial, and what is polynomials? Polynomials, you can say that an algebraic expression is called an algebraic expression is called polynomial. Okay students, an algebraic expression is called as polynomials, and polynomials are further divided into many parts. If we take monomial, the first one is monomial. Monomials, second binomial, and third trinomial, okay students, monomials, binomials and trinomials. So first of all we will see an algebraic expressions, polynomials. First of all we will see what is polynomials, then after we will see its type, that monomials, binomials and trinomials. See here in your textbook there is an examples, like if we tell 7x square plus 4x by y square minus 8, then it is a polynomial. Okay students, it is polynomial. Let us see another example, that is 7x cube minus 4 by x plus 4x square minus 5. Okay students, so this is an polynomials. Okay students, now we will see monomial. What is monomial? What is monomial? See students, I am writing the definition of monomials over here. First, monomials, an algebraic expression is called a monomial expression if there is only one term in expression and there is only a non-negative integer exponent for any variable in the term. Okay students, so here are some of the examples of monomials, like what are monomials? I am writing the examples, that is x square, 3x square, or 3xy, or 9y square, or in the form of x square by y square. Here you can write 2x square, 3y square. So these are some of the examples of monomials. Okay students. Next we will see is binomial. So what is binomial? I am reading that an expression is called a binomial expression if it has only two terms. Here there was only one term, and if there is in two terms, okay students, two terms in the expression and the exponent of the two numbers are non-negative integers. See students, I am taking the examples of binomials over here. That what are the examples of binomials? That is a plus b. So b square, bx square plus y, or 3xy minus 4yz. Okay students, these are the binomials which have two terms. Okay students, with two terms that are binomials. So you can understand what is three term that have three. Here I am writing the examples of trinomial. I am writing which have three term, x square plus x plus 3, or y square plus y plus 4. These are the trinomials examples. Okay students, now we will do the example 1 orally. You can see that state which of these algebraic expressions are polynomials. Give reason also. See here, which of these are polynomials expressions. So we have to find which expression is polynomials. So in A, x square plus 1 is x square plus 1. So, here two terms came. So, it is a binomial. Okay students, two terms there. So, binomials x by y plus 3. Barabar? Sorry students, now x by y plus 3. So, that is not a binomial because one of their variables have negative power. So, they are not binomials. Next, C, x square plus y inverse of its square. So, that is also not binomial because why? One of their variable is negative. In binomials, though non-negative integers not there. In D, x square plus x plus 1, it is a trinomial. It is a trinomial under root x. E, under root x, it is not a monomial because the power of its variable is not an integer. So, it is not a monomial. F, that is 5. 5, that is monomial. Why? There is only one term because it is monomial. C, that is G, that is x plus y plus z, that is trinomial. Why? Because it have three terms. H, that is x cube, that is monomials. Why? Because only one term is there and positive integer. Next, I, 2 by 3 x cube minus y cube. So, I is binomial. Okay students, binomial. Why is binomial? Because both have non-negative integer. And J, last, x plus y inverse whole square plus 1. It is not a trinomial because its power has negative sign. Okay students. So, here we have completed with our example number 1. Now, it is time for your homework students. So, in your homework, you have to find out which are, first of all, please note down your homework. So, please note down your homework students. Homework. In your homework, you have to do example number 1 in your example book, and from exercise, that is 6a. Yes, 6a. From that, you have to do question 1 and 2. So, let me say that what you have to do. In question number 1, exercise 6a, question number 1, what we have to do? Which of these following expressions are polynomials? So, you have to only write yes or no, or make a table that these are polynomials and these are not polynomials. And in question 2, state which of the expressions in question 1 are. You have to divide. First of all, you have to say which are polynomials, and from polynomials, you have to further divide that into monomials, binomials, trinomials, polynomials and not polynomials. Okay students. So, this is easy one. Okay students. First, I will take some of the examples. Let us see A, question 1a, from exercise 6a, question 1a, that is x square plus 7x plus 12. So, it is a polynomial. Okay students, but which polynomial? It is a trinomial. So, in question 2, you have to write that trinomial is question 1a in trinomial part. Okay students, let us see second. B, x 2 by 3 plus x cube. So, it is not a polynomial. So, wherein you have to write in question 1, it is not polynomial, and in question 2, where you have to write E, not polynomials. Okay students. C, y cube. Yes, it is a polynomial because it has a term non-negative. So, but it is monomials. Okay, students. So, further it divided in question 2, you have to write that in monomials. So, I have given you some of the examples of it. Now, other you have to do by your own. Okay, students. Up till then, stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye, students.